Hello students, welcome to class. Let's read the title here. Have you ever had difficult encounters with your family during holidays because it's hard to see dead bodies on the table? Here's one way to handle it. So this is DXE, Direct Action Everywhere, who is a group based out of California, but they have different, offices or branches everywhere around the world, and they fight for animals. They defend animals. They go in there and save them when they're suffering, and they often have problems with the legal system because they believe they have a right to save the animals, and the bad people are trying to put them in jail for saving innocent animals who are just about to die. But anyway, this video is them talking about what it's like at Christmas and how it's not easy. And I guess they are making a little play here to try to get you to see if this is what you're going through and give you some ideas. So let's have a look at it. I already took a little peek. I didn't watch the whole thing, but I mean, the acting is funny. They're trying, you know. I think it's great that they're trying. But you guys write your comments below as you're watching. I'm going to be stopping once in a while and telling you what I think. So you guys tell me what you think too, okay? I think their heart is in the right place, and I think it's great that they're doing this. That's the start, I just want to say. Okay.
Hey guys, how was the trip down? What's the weather been like in old San Fran? You still on fire watch?
Hey guys, how's the weather in San Fran? You still on fire watch? Okay, I shouldn't be doing that. I mean, I would probably be terrible at this too. I'd probably be the worst actor ever. But anyway, okay, let's keep going.
Surprisingly, we had rain last week.
Well, how'd you like driving past Harris Ranch? Phew! I always roll up my windows. I can't stand it. Those cows are disgusting.
The cows are disgusting? How about the people who run that feedlot and make money off that feedlot?
Oh, she's making a good point here. So I'm not sure how they're related, all these people. I guess they're family, but one of them is saying, you know, the cows are disgusting because they smell bad, and the cows are actually innocent. They were just born because they were forced to be born because humans breed them into existence because they want to eat them. Chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, all of these innocent animals, they are bred into existence by us humans. So this one in the black shirt here, is defending them, the animals, and saying, no, it's not the animals that are doing anything wrong. It's the people who are taking care of them, enslaving them, taking care of them. I say that loosely. Basically, they treat them as slaves with the intention of murdering them, which is what they do.
For God's sake, it's not the cow's fault that they're stuck there. Do you think it was their idea to get jammed into that gross place? Standing knee-deep in manure in the hot sun? Weeks or days from being trucked off to have their throats?
Vera, please. We're about to sit down and have a nice dinner.
Yeah, Mom, can't you just give it a rest for once?
Okay, so she's the daughter sitting there in the white shirt, and she's upset with her mom. Her mother, I guess, is vegan and the daughter isn't. Oof, that's hard.
I really don't get it. It's a mystery to me. You all know how badly these animals are treated. The cows, the pigs, the chickens, the fish.
Fish? Fish?
Yeah, fish.
Now you are whining about fish?
They are sentient beings, Mike. They have social groups. They have friends.
Fish, friends. Come on, Vera, you've got to be kidding me.
These animals are suffering and dying in the most unimaginable ways. All just so they can end up on our table, like tonight.
Yes, like tonight, Dad. It's Christmas Eve. I drove all the way up from San Diego just to be here with you guys for Christmas. And you
are ruining it.
Elaine, you love animals more than anyone I know. I saw you after your cat died, how you just laid in bed for days and wouldn't eat.
Yeah, Benny was my best friend.
Yes, Benny. And I remember you guys spending thousands to save Maxie after he got hit by a car.
Benny and Maxie were different.
But no, they're not different. That's the point. These cows and pigs and chickens, they're the same as the dogs and cats that we live with.
Yes, good point.
They feel love and pain
Yes.
and joy, and they care for their young.
Right.
Yep, they like to dance, ride bicycles.
Oh.
Yeah, fish square dancing.
Oh, that is deliberately trying to not understand his point. You guys are just being mean now on purpose. That's vegan phobia. Don't be ridiculous.
Cows twerking.
Stop it. You know, we're actually thinking about adopting some chickens that were rescued from a factory farm.
Ooh.
And there's the cutest little pot-bellied pig at the SPCA, and she needs a forever home.
Okay. Can we not talk about animals and have a nice family dinner for once?
With corpses on the table.
Corpses?
With corpses on the table. Exactly. Look at him. If a cat was on the table, would he say the same thing? Let's have a nice family dinner. If a dog was on the table, would he say, oh, let's just continue and have a nice family dinner as they cut into the cat or the dog? Of course not. Speciesism. That's what this is. These people are insane. They're suffering from cognitive dissonance. They need to get the vegan message into their head and into the heart. They need to know that they are being hypocrites, and I think that's what the family is trying to teach them. With the other ones on the couch.
You tell me that there are corpses on the table after I spent all day in the kitchen making a nice dinner for everyone?
It's a corpse. It's a fact. Your kitchen is a morgue. It's a place for dead bodies. How crazy is that? I can't believe these people are even being this patient with you.
I spent every afternoon and evening last week looking for recipes for this meal. I spent $85 at the market just on ingredients for this dinner.
So that you could stuff them into a turkey's bum? What? You want us to feel sorry for you?
This is the thanks that we get. You
would get thanks if you just left the turkey out of there and just created a meal with all of the other things. Why don't you make some vegan lasagna, vegan pizza, vegan meatloaf? Huh? How about shepherd's pie? How about buying a tofurkey, which doesn't involve any death? Be creative. Google vegan recipes. Google holiday vegan recipes. Vegan meals for Christmas, okay? Stop feeling sorry for yourself. You're not the victim here. You're the perpetrator. You're the mean one. Those two sitting on the couch there, not the one in the white, but the other two, they're the good guys.
I try so hard. I just want everybody to be happy.
Oh, really? Really? I don't think so. I don't think you want those two to be happy at all. You just clearly aren't listening to them. Have you ever wanted a gift and then somebody gives you like the total opposite of what you want, and then they say, well, aren't you happy? Would she like it if somebody gave her a dead body in her hands? Here, Merry Christmas. I tried so hard to make you happy. Here's a dead cat. Here's a dead guinea pig. What a load of shit. Come on. Give me a break. All right, now look at this. Oh, God, don't tell me she's going to be over there trying to apologize. No, you stay there. You didn't do anything wrong. It's her fault.
I'm so sorry, Elaine.
Sorry for what? What are you sorry about?
Yeah, I'm sorry too. We didn't mean to upset anybody, and we didn't mean...
How come they're not the ones apologizing? They are the ones that are upsetting you. They are the ones who are bringing death into the situation. I'll answer that. I'll tell you exactly why. Because vegans are smarter, braver, and kinder. And that meat eater that's over there on the other side of the room, she's fucking nuts. She's insane. She's crazy. And she's playing the victim card when she is the one who literally stabs the animal and slices her or him, shoves all kinds of stuff up their ass, cuts their wings off. It's fucked up. Do you guys not see this? How messed up this is?
We need to get angry ourselves. Just hard with the turkey there on the
Okay, it's hard with the turkey on the table. Good. Stick to your guns.
table. I mean, a couple months ago, we would have been doing the same thing. We weren't thinking about who's on
Oh, you're just new vegans. Okay.
our table or how they got there, what they went through, what the environmental consequences were, and we weren't thinking about the health consequences either, particularly Vera. We saw this documentary and it shocked us.
Which one? Dominion? Cowspiracy? Seaspiracy? Forks Over Knives? What'd you watch? The Game Changers? What the Health? Don'twatch.org? Oh, I wonder which ones they watch. Maybe they watch them all.
You know, we love all of you, and really, we're very appreciative.
You love people that murder animals? It's tough, isn't it? What is love exactly? If they were murdering cats and dogs, would those people, the two wearing black right now, would they be saying the same thing? We love you. Or are they also a little bit speciesist? Love is a tough thing. You know? Love is a verb, though. It's an action. And I think what they're trying to do here with this video is just to say, look, vegans, you can rise above. You can be better than the carnists. You can try to be the peacemakers here. Just be the voice of reason. Try to be diplomatic. Tiptoe around all the people who want the dead bodies around and just like wipe their tears and say, oh, poor you, Mom. I know you spent ages preparing this dead turkey for me. And I'm so sad that I've made you sad that I don't want to eat the dead turkey. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay, let's keep watching.
I remember you, Mike, driving all the way from LA to San Francisco, sitting by my bedside when it seemed like I might not make it after my heart attack. And you, Erica, how you were always there for your dad anytime he needed anything. We know you're loving and generous people. We know
You're loving and generous up to a point. But it's true. Like I said before, love is very confusing.
Love the planet and you love the animals.
Some animals. They love some animals. Others they pay people to put into gas chambers. That's what they do to pigs in the industry. They also pay people to grind up baby boy chicks at just 1 day old. That's what happens in the egg industry. Because the baby boys will never be able to lay eggs, so they're considered to be useless in the industry.
You're just saying that. You obviously hate us. You hate us.
Oh, you hate us. So she's saying to her parents, you hate us. So this is where we get into just a bunch of discussions about words. What is hate? You ever said you hate somebody and you don't really, or you ever said you love somebody and you're thinking later, well, I don't know if I really actually do love that person, come to think of it, if they're capable of being so cruel.
Us animal killers.
Erica, you know that's not true. We love all of you.
Yeah, you know, honestly, I think it's best if Vera and I just go back to the hotel.
Oh,
It's hard
they want to
for
go
us.
back to the hotel. They're not going to eat the dinner. Yes, way to stand your ground. Good job.
Right now with the turkey being here, we're not perfect. We don't expect anybody else to be, but it's just tough. And we understand how important the holidays can be in terms of us spending time together and the traditions. But what we'll do is we'll come back tomorrow after breakfast and maybe we'll have a Christmas surprise with us.
No.
Okay, so they're going to have a Christmas surprise. Okay, so they decided they're not going to take part in eating the meals. That's a good way to do it. You can still spend time together. You can, play musical instruments. You can go for a walk in the snow. You can shovel the snow. You can find recipes that you can make together. I mean, personally, I think what would have been better is they would have just left the turkey in the garage or something, anything to do with meats in the garage, and just stayed together to eat all of the vegan foods. So no death on the plates, no dairy, no meat, no eggs, and they could have all stayed together. That would have been the best solution. But I guess these people here, these carnists, are going to let them go. They're not going to say, okay, please stay, fine, we won't eat the turkey. Because you know what? Those people, this young woman here and the other two, they are the ones who don't truly love. Because if they really loved the two people sitting on the couch who are wearing black, if they really love them, they would say, look, you guys are more important today than our taste buds. We can eat the stuff later when you're not here. But while you're here, let's stay together. That's what they should have done.
You're not bringing the little pig, are you?
Of course we wouldn't bring a pig as a Christmas gift, but...
Right, because you should never give anyone an animal as a gift. No bunnies at Easter, because people end up just getting tired of them after. No puppies at birthdays. I mean, these are things you have to really think about. But she's an animal rights activist, and she knows that there's a pig that needs to be adopted.
But, Erica, we know your birthday's coming up, and, well, with that big yard of yours...
Oh boy, they're actually talking about giving them a pig. And look at them. She's smiling. He's smiling. They love animals. They love cats and dogs. Now the idea of having a pig as a new family member, it's kind of interesting to them, right? But what are they going to do? Take care of the pig in the yard, pet the pig in the yard, be sweet to the pig in the yard, sing to the pig in the yard, and then come back and go to the grocery store and point to the bacon, the ham, and the sausage and shove those things in their shopping cart? It's fucked up. These people better wake up and be vegan and be morally consistent. Oh, that's it? Okay, Vera and Damien, written by Leslie Goldberg. Okay, produced by Direct Action Everywhere. So there you have it. There is the little play, a little video by Direct Action Everywhere. If you haven't yet seen these guys, this is their group on Facebook. It's called Direct Action Everywhere. You see them, they're saving animals, and you can go and join them. Okay, and short way is for their name is DXE, Direct Action Everywhere. So thank you everybody for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Some of them I sing. Some of them I'm angry. Some of them I cry. Some of them I laugh. Some of them I dance. I do all kinds of stuff because I really want you to think about the animals. I'll try anything. I'll try all kinds of things just to get you guys to think about the animals. Subscribe, press the notification bell, and help us get the animals out of hell. Thank you so much for being here. Give yourself a big hug because I know you're trying. I know you're trying. Okay, I'm tough, but I know you're trying. Just try harder. Okay, give yourself a big hug because people come and go in your life, and you are the one who is consistently going to be there. So feed yourself well, treat yourself well, get plenty of sleep, get fresh air, exercise. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Gotta press the bell. I mean the button down there, it's red.